Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning 15 super useful English idioms that native speakers use all the time. On the house. On the house. Free of charge. Usually given by a restaurant, cafe, shop, or business as a gift or gesture. The cafe gave us drinks on the house. Would you like a dessert? It's on the house. An old flame. An old flame. A person you used to love or have a romantic relationship with in the past. She met an old flame at the park. He got a message from an old flame. Kill time. Kill time. To do something just to pass the time while you're waiting. We talked to kill time before class. I read a book to kill time. Spick and span. Spick and span. Very clean, neat, and tidy. The living room looked spick and span after she finished cleaning. He keeps his desk spick and span every day. Jack of all trades. Jack of all trades. A person who can do many different types of work, but may not be an expert in any one. My roommate is a jack of all trades. He builds furniture, cooks, and fixes laptops. We need a specialist, not a jack of all trades for this job. A shoulder to cry on. A shoulder to cry on. A person who listens to you and comforts you when you're sad. After the bad day she had, she really needed a shoulder to cry on. He was my shoulder to cry on during tough times. Bored to death. Bored to death. Extremely bored. I was bored to death during that long meeting. He said he was bored to death staying home all weekend. It takes two to tango. It takes two to tango. Both sides are responsible in a conflict or situation. They both shouted, "It takes two to tango." Don't blame him only. It takes two to tango. On pins and needles. On pins and needles. Very nervous. anxious or excited while waiting. I'm on pins and needles for my test. I was on pins and needles before the announcement. Around the clock. Around the clock. All day and night. Continuously. The shop is open around the clock. The hotline is available around the clock. Feel the pinch. Feel the pinch. Experience financial difficulties. With prices rising, many families are starting to feel the pinch. He's feeling the pinch after buying a new car. Down in the dumps. Down in the dumps. Feeling sad, unhappy, or depressed. She's been down in the dumps since she lost her job. I'm a bit down in the dumps today. Tie the knot. Tie the knot. To get married. They finally decided to tie the knot after 7 years together. My sister is tying the knot this summer. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. Stop yourself from saying something rude or inappropriate. I wanted to complain, but I held my tongue. Hold your tongue if you can't say anything nice. 2 peas in a pod. 2 peas in a pod. 2 people who are very similar. Those 2 friends are like 2 peas in a pod. My cousins are 2 peas in a pod. They do everything together.